For today's video, let's learn the importance of construction line and ray that will be very helpful when you're creating elevation drawing or section drawing. Okay, let's begin. Draw. Construction line. Put the construction line in its specific position. Vertical. Escape. Space or enter. Horizontal. Escape, space or enter. Zoom. Rectangle. Offset. 50. Offset 30. Line. Offset 30. E for erase and hit space. Trim. That's as basic, right? Here is the other way, the ray command, which is same approach, but the line begins when you point the first point of the line, unlike construction line that is infinite.